4. Simple ways to remove blackheads. Use tea tree oil. Blackheads happen to be the most common skin problem seen today. It occurs around the nose, forehead, and chin area. They are often known as the first stage of acne, although they aren't infectious in nature. Blackheads are dark in color because of pigmentation and can be both controlled and prevented if you maintain your skin well. Tea tree oil is an antiseptic that stops infections. Here is a couple of interesting and easy ideas you could use today to get rid of blackheads. 1. Face masks. Face masks are an easy way to remove both pimples and blackheads. Simply mix 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil with green clay powder. Make sure to add enough water so that you can create the perfect blended mixture. Now apply the mask over the face as well as the neck region. Leave it for 20 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water. 2. Use it while cleaning and moisturizing. While cleansing your face or even moisturizing it, add some tea tree oil to your cream or wash. This will definitely help in fighting blackheads permanently. You can add 2 to 6 drops. Not more than that. However, be careful and try not to let it get into your eyes. 3. Homemade facial scrub. A homemade facial scrub is essential for removing blackheads. You can make one at home to get rid of it. Simply mix some sugar, olive oil, and tea tree oil together. Add a tablespoon of honey as well. Massage all over your face, especially on the blackhead region. 4. Use it while bathing. You can try removing blackheads with tea tree oil even while bathing. Just add a few drops of tea tree oil to your bathtub when it's full of water. Let it sink and blend for a bit before you start bathing. The oils will add more fragrance.